Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to learn how I made this doorknob. Now we can turn it around. Check out the slow motion. Now we can remove the blank from the forge or chuck and put it in the oven for drying. After the blank is dry, we can turn all the doorknob. Here you can see I take some pressure from the tailstock because this is very thin piece. Here you can see I did a final shape of the handle. Now we can send all the doorknob. For finish I chose beeswax. Now we can buff all the piece. This is the second part of the doorknob. This is going the other side. Now we can drill the hole for the dowel. I hope you love this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Check out my new Instagram at DIY Woodworking, and I will see you next time.